For this tutorial, we will be using the Under the Sea DIY balloon box from FettyFest.com, which includes 40 5-inch balloons, 60 12-inch balloons, 4 18-inch balloons, and 4 large foils. If this is your first time installing a balloon garland, we recommend starting with our general tips and tricks video for time-saving tips and installation instructions. Let's start by inflating your balloons. Inflate the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons and tie into pairs. Since our garland has a blocked color scheme, make sure to tie like colors together. Set these aside and we will come back to them once we are done inflating. Once all your balloons are in pairs, take 2 pairs that are the same size and colors and twist them together at the knots to make a cluster of 4 called a quad. Repeat this step until all the 5-inch and 12-inch balloons are in quads. Inflate the 18-inch balloons and tie shut with a string balloon. This will make it easy for us to attach later. Repeat this step for all 4 18-inch balloons. Now take your 5-inch quads and tie them into pairs. This will make it easy for us to attach them once our garland is assembled. Inflate the included foils using the handheld pump included in your box. Be careful when inserting the pump into the valve so that you do not puncture through the back of the foil. Once inflated, tape the valve closed with Scotch tape and set aside. Now let's put it all together. Tie one of the included string balloons to your first 12-inch quad with a simple knot. Place the second quad on top of the first and wrap the string balloon around 2 of the balloons in the second quad in a figure 8. Repeat this step for all the 12-inch quads, tying on additional string balloons when needed. Make sure to attach all 3 quads for each color before moving on to the next color. Once you have assembled the main part of the garland, this is a great time to attach to the wall. You can see here that I have a hanger already on the wall with a string balloon attached. Attach the 18-inch balloons by wrapping the string balloon around one of the 12-inch balloons in the garland. Now take the sets of 5-inch quads, stretch them apart, and floss them down between the 12-inch balloons. You can twist these around to put them in the perfect position. Make sure to match the colors of the 5-inch quads with the corresponding color in the garland. Lastly, attach the foils using the included glue dots. Simply press the glue dots onto a latex balloon and then press the foil on top. Hold for 15 seconds. We recommend attaching at 2 or more points.